Hi guys, this is Adrienne Green, Realtor with Sampson Properties, and I am here today with Holt Barrineau. He works with Beautiful Home Services, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the company and how they can help homeowners in today's environment. So, Holt, thank you for joining us. And
Thank you. Thank you for
what
having me.
is Beautiful Home Services?
We are a top-rated painting, drywall, carpentry, remodeling contractor serving Montgomery County, Northern Virginia, and DC metro area. We've been around for about 10 years now. Our strongest asset is our ability to attract and retain the very best craftsmen in the area. For us, it all begins with our commitment to providing a positive work environment for every member of our team, and it shows in the result as each is inspired to perform at their absolute highest level on every job. Beautiful Home Services is an affordable option for your interior and exterior painting, drywall, carpentry, etc. And we have competitive pricing that is consistent with quality.
Wonderful. Thank you for explaining it. I know you guys are a great contractor that people have been very happy with. So if people are thinking about doing home renovation projects right now, as you work with them as a sales consultant, how are you working with these new clients to do consultations and to write up estimates in this COVID-19 climate?
That's a very good question. So what we're doing as of right now, just like we're having a Zoom meeting, we can have Zoom meeting, Google Hangouts, FaceTimes with clients. That way we can maintain social distancing. If it's minor projects such as interior painting, drywall works, or even updating a bathroom where we're just updating the existing fixtures, I can have clients help me take measurements, and I can take notes as well to provide them detailed estimates without ever having to set foot in their home. If it's a little bit more of a complicated estimate that requires me being there in their home, I am masking up. I do have gloves on, and we are maintaining social distance, so that way we can ensure the health of ourselves, but also for the health of our clients as well.
That's wonderful. I'm sure people are finding a lot of things they want to improve with their homes when they're all staying at home right now. So it's nice that you can help them get the ball rolling on getting that stuff addressed in their house with some renovation and home construction stuff. Now, are your crews working right now as well? And what safety measures do they have in place if they're out there with clients?
So since we are in fact an essential business, we are able to travel outside of our homes to service our clients. Our crews are currently working at this moment in time. We are doing everything we can based upon what the governors of Virginia, Maryland, and DC have told us to maintain or flatten the curve. If we are working in your home and say we're in the upper level of your house, we're obviously going to encourage you to stay on the main level or maybe even the lower part of your home while you're working, so that way we can just maintain social distancing as much as possible. My guys typically are marking off areas using plastics anyway to reduce any form of dust and debris. So that also does help to kind of create a barrier as well between our crews and also the clients. And we are maintaining the health of our crews. We are monitoring internal temperatures. We're checking to make sure that crews are not feeling any kind of symptoms or are feeling ill. We also are talking with all of our clients as well and being sure that the clients are not feeling ill, do not have higher than normal internal temperatures. So that way we both are not transferring anything over, but we're protecting ourselves and protecting the clients as well.
That's wonderful. Sounds like you're doing everything that you can. Now, what's your schedule looking like for the next few months? I know sometimes contractors can be working, people might get an estimate now and not be able to get work done for months. Is that the situation, or are you guys able to get people in sooner?
So that's a really, really good question about scheduling. We're very fortunate as a contractor. We actually still have a pretty full schedule. The nice part about it, or I'm looking in a positive light of things, some clients have decided that they would like to move their projects further back on the schedule. This does open some spots for clients that need to get some work done sooner, whether it be just a minor kitchen or bathroom remodel, or it be your interior painting. I know for small jobs, we're still looking at a start time of somewhere between 2 to 3 weeks, which is actually a very quick turnaround time for someone who's a licensed and insured contractor. We have some spots available as well for minor bathroom, kitchen remodels that could start as soon as as the middle of May. So as long as we can get all their materials, we can actually start quite soon and get that job done in a timely fashion.
That is wonderful because contractors in Northern Virginia are usually booked so far out, and it's nice, you know, when you're excited about a project to be able to get it done soon in your house. So that's a nice resource for people. Now, you mentioned getting the supplies. Are you guys getting all the supplies you need for your jobs right now?
So I would say this is probably the number one question that's being asked from my clients. The question is, or the answer really is a yes and a no. Yes, if we have the availability within the US, such as if the warehouses still have stock, we are still able to get materials. It may take a little bit longer since obviously the Asiatic regions where we get the majority of our building materials from had been hit with COVID first. They're now starting to, or they're restarting their manufacturer plants. So there may be a slight delay in time frame or a little bit larger lead times for specific materials. We really are treating every job as a case-by-case basis. Sometimes we can get it very, very quickly. Sometimes it does take a little bit longer. So these timeframes that I'm scheduling the clients, especially the quicker timeframes that we're scheduling with our clients, really has to be a tentative start date. And we may be able to get it done or we might not, but we'll work that out with you.
And in times like this where supplies can be difficult, or like you said, we need to work together to make things happen, that's when it's really nice to have a contractor like you guys, like Beautiful Home Services, to be the partner with the homeowner, because you guys provide such great service, and that really can make a difference, especially in this environment where things can be a little more dicey with supplies.
Yeah, absolutely. I would say it's not, hope isn't all lost. We still have the opportunity to still get all the materials. I think that only the largest lead times I've seen is on some flooring, but the majority of like our bathroom and kitchen products are still easily attainable.
Okay, well that's good to know that flooring is the biggest challenge. That's awesome. So, well, thank you so much for sharing kind of where Beautiful Home Services is and, you know, home contractors are right now, so that clients can consider if they are, you know, going to do a home renovation or some other big update to their house. They can keep that in mind, and they can reach out now and get started on the estimate process, get that order for flooring in so they can have their flooring ready, and there's no need to wait.
Yes, my schedule in terms of just going out or meeting with people one-on-one via FaceTime or Zoom Hangout is still, I wouldn't say like super open as if I don't have any work. We obviously have work, but I am able to schedule you quickly. If you were to call me tomorrow, I could definitely come out or at least speak with you over the phone in a matter of a day or two, and I could get an estimate over to you in 48 hours. So we still have quick turnaround times.
Well, and I know that even if you were slammed with people, Holt, you have such great customer service, you would make sure you could get to people as quickly as possible and help them in that way. So, so thank you so much, Holt, for making time for me today and for this video. So to everyone watching, again, this is Holt Barrineau with Beautiful Home Services, and I will have his contact information in the details below the video. If you would like to learn about more Northern Virginia service providers and small businesses, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I love sharing all of the wonderful small business owners and employees that I know and interviewing them and sharing them with you. So thank you, Holt, and thank you to those who are watching. Adrienne Green, Realtor with Sampson Properties, and I hope you have a great day.